Are you tired of Gmail's Smart Reply feature automatically suggesting responses for your emails? In this video, I will show you how to disable Smart Reply on Gmail on your PC with the new update. To get started, open gmail.com on your web browser. From the top bar, click on the gear icon located on the right-hand side. This will open up a drop-down menu where you will need to click on See All Settings. Next, navigate to the General section and look for the Smart Reply option. Here, you will see a toggle button next to Smart Reply. Simply click on the button to turn Smart Reply off. After disabling Smart Reply, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes to confirm the new settings. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the change. Click on OK to complete the process. And that's it. You have successfully disabled Smart Reply on Gmail on your PC. Now you can compose your emails without any automatic suggestions getting in the way. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.